Welcome to Best Choice. The best fiber lights is probably one of the most enchanting and versatile ways to transform any space, whether you're aiming for a cozy ambience in your living room, a dazzling display for a party, or a subtle, sophisticated accent in your garden, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and practical illumination that can elevate your decor to an entirely new level with their mesmerizing glow and flexible design. Number 5. Playlearn 13-inch LED fiber optic lamp. Experience a mesmerizing display with this unique lamp. It brings a calming and vibrant ambience to any room. Watch as it cycles through a spectrum of colors, creating a fantastic mood light. This feature makes it perfect for relaxation or setting a party atmosphere. Standing at 13 inches tall, it features a stylish crystal effect base. Its design adds a touch of elegance to your decor. You can power it conveniently via USB, with a removable cable included. Alternatively, it runs on 3 AAA batteries for portable use, though batteries are not included. This lamp utilizes efficient LED bulbs, ensuring long-lasting power and vibrant illumination. Enjoy its beautiful glow for extended periods. What we like. This lamp offers versatile power options and a unique crystal base. Its dual power source makes it incredibly flexible for placement anywhere in your home. If you are looking for a portable, stylish mood light with a touch of elegance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Sensory fiber optic lamp. Experience ultimate relaxation with this soothing mood light. It helps ease tight emotions and creates a stimulating yet calming environment for children and adults alike. Watch as it automatically cycles through 7 vibrant colors. This creates a peaceful and delightful atmosphere, much like a beautiful bouquet of luminous gypsophila. Enjoy complete freedom with its battery-powered design. No cables are needed, making it easy to place and move it anywhere you desire. Equipped with a high-quality LED bulb, its light source is bright, soft, and built to last. You can enjoy its gentle glow for a very long time. Rest assured with a lifetime warranty and dedicated customer support. Our team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. This lamp is designed to create a soothing atmosphere and comes with a remarkable lifetime warranty. Its calming effect is perfect for relaxation, and the battery power ensures it can be moved easily. If you need a tranquil mood light with peace of mind regarding its longevity, this option is ideal. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Number 3. AKEPO 16W RGBW Twinkle Fiber Optic Starlight Kit. Introducing this innovative lighting system, designed to bring a dazzling starry night effect to any environment. It's perfect for both your car and home, creating an instant ambience. Experience a magical twinkling effect with vibrant RGBW colors. It features 550 optical fibers, creating a truly immersive and customizable light show. Control your Starlight experience with ease. This kit offers music-activated modes, along with convenient control via a dedicated app and a remote controller. Designed for both home and car use, it comes with adapters for either setting. Its waterproof fiber optic cables ensure safety and broad application possibilities. Enjoy peace of mind with its safe design, eliminating electric shock risks. Remember to keep the light engine dry. Plus, it's backed by a generous 3-year warranty. Whether you're enhancing your car's interior or creating a serene ambience at home, this kit is ideal. It brings a unique and captivating atmosphere wherever you install it. What we like. This kit offers advanced RGBW twinkle effects and can be controlled via an app or remote. Its music activation feature allows for dynamic light shows that sync with your audio. If you want to create an immersive, interactive starry sky effect in your car or home, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 2. AZIMOM 6W RGBW Fiber Optic Starlight Ceiling Kit. This compact 6W RGBW engine brings pure white and vibrant colors to life. It features 200 high-quality fiber optic strands, ensuring brilliant brightness and flexible light guidance for any space. It offers a spectrum of 16 static colors and dynamic modes like fade, jump, flash, or breath. With 16 million color combinations, you can create the perfect ambience for any mood or occasion. Activate the sound mode and watch as the fiber optic strands dance to the rhythm of your music. This feature creates a unique and romantic atmosphere, especially captivating in your car. This Starlight kit is incredibly versatile, perfect for cars, KTVs, homes, and even pools. Use it to create stunning ceiling decorations, curtains, or screens for any special event. Control it effortlessly using the My Smart LED app on your Android or iOS device, via Bluetooth, or with the included 28-key remote. Enjoy seamless management of its 16 million colors and dynamic modes. What we like. This kit provides a pure white light option and features a highly responsive sound-activated mode. Its compact size and versatile application make it perfect for both vehicle and indoor decorative lighting. If you like to synchronize your lighting with music for a dynamic car interior or a lively room, this is a great choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 1. AKEPO 32W Dual Head Fiber Optic Star Ceiling Kit. This kit features upgraded app control, freeing you from traditional remotes. It creates a realistic and vivid star ceiling with shooting star and twinkle effects. Plus, its music-activated function makes the lights dance to your rhythm. With its 32W dual head design, this fiber optic kit is perfect for large and high spaces. It creates brilliant star ceiling lights, ideal for media rooms or cars. It even includes 2 kinds of plugs for versatile use at home or in your vehicle. The included 28-key RF remote offers 10 static colors and dynamic modes like fade, jump, flash, and breath. You can easily adjust brightness, twinkle speed, shooting star effects, and sound sensitivity. Through the Bluetooth app, you gain access to 16 million colors and precise brightness control. It offers 10 meteor modes, adjustable shooting star speed, and sound sensitivity from 1% to 100%. You can even group multiple kits for synchronized control. This kit includes a 28-key RF remote and 2,000 pieces of 16.4-foot fiber optic cable. It also comes with a shooting star light kit and power adapters for both car and home use. Its waterproof fiber optic cables ensure safe use in various applications, eliminating electric shock risks. The light engine, however, must be kept in a dry area. For your peace of mind, it comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like. This powerful kit stands out with its unique shooting star effect and high-brightness dual-head engine. It's designed for larger spaces, ensuring a brilliant and widespread starry sky display. If you are looking to create a truly spectacular, high-impact star ceiling in a big room or vehicle, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.